everyone again, and believe it or not, we've got to Unit 2. This unit is called multiculturalism. Is it a value or a fact? Well, in order to find out, let's go through the unit. The first thing we start with is a short video. Here it is, the usual thing, captions here, a transcript to see here. You watch the video. Okay, the video actually explains this simulation as well, and this is a picture of the simulation. Each time we give you a picture of it so you know where to go. So let's go straight to the virtual world, to this unit, and we're in Unit 2. Now in Unit 2, again we've got the instructions seeing the video, and the second set of instructions is about the simulation we have to do right now. So let's open it, read the instructions. While I'm reading it, I'll start to walk a bit so I can show you where everything takes place here. So here it is, it's up here. Welcome to the University of Multiculturalism. Your task is to be accepted by as many clubs as possible on campus. You have to go to the door of each club, answer the questions and see if you're eligible. And each time you get into a club, you get a badge. Let's use the zoom. Do you remember I showed you? If you press on the Alt button, you can zoom in. So you press the Alt button, you get this, so you can zoom into different places. Let's go here. Each time you see a color around a clubhouse, that's one of the areas to go to. Okay, so there's 6 of them. So find all the clubhouses and then and see what happens. Okay, it's an interesting exercise. So once you've done the simulation, you have an interactive video. So you go back to the campus and you go to the next one here, the interactive video. This is again an interactive video. So you have questions to answer on the way, and you can stop the video whenever you like in order to answer these questions. Okay, so the questions and what you write will be seen by everybody else. So you do that. Then we go to the next stage, which is a group simulation in the virtual world. Again, we put a picture here for you so that you can see where the place is that you're going to be. Okay, so let's go back to the virtual world. So these are the instructions. This is the synchronous session. And this exercise you go with your whole group. So with your whole group you meet in the sports area. You have to choose one of the track lines and stand at the beginning, and etc. So we can leave this here so we don't forget. And as soon as I go here, straight from the entrance, it says here to the sports ground. You can see here, to the sports ground. And I go onto the sports ground, right through here. And I stand here in the beginning of the track. It's transported me here. So I'll stand here, oops, and then I follow the instructions. To restart, I click here, and all the group stands at the beginning of the track, and you all go according to the instructions if you're allowed to go forward or backwards. The next thing is another interactive video. Now here we are really excited to tell you that we have a guest lecturer who is really, her book has made a tremendous impact in our field. And her name is Hao Wen Fuong Mai, Professor, and she will speak to us through the virtual world. And this is here, oops, this one here is an interview with our guest speaker. And you can hear her speak, listen to answer questions, take part in the discussion around the video. And then we have a whole set of questions separately here, where you get a point for each one, and you do have 2 chances for each question. Okay, so if you do get it wrong, you do have another chance. But I still would suggest make sure you understand the unit very well before you answer the questions. Altogether, the questions will be 20% of your grade. And those of you who are taking the course without the internet part. Without the virtual world part, all these questions together will be your complete grade for the course. So again, you can go to next, and like in other units, we've worked hard to give you very interesting enrichment exercises, including different tech talks we've taken from all over the place, and different information that you can use for working in schools. So I hope you'll find that useful, and enjoy this unit working together as your group. Thank you very much.